Welcome to our training on commitment drift. This is a topic that is crucial to your understanding of how an investor's initial commitment amount can vary greatly when that capital is actually invested. This video will help you to understand the basics of commitment drift and how it can occur. Commitment drift occurs when an investor makes an obligation or commitment in one currency while the fund is going to invest in another currency. The movement away from the original commitment amount in your currency is the drift. Over time, currencies weaken and strengthen compared to each other. This can cause a movement away from the original amount of committed capital, and this is called commitment drift. For example, the weakening dollar from 2002 to the present affected investors in two ways. For U.S. investors, existing commitments to foreign funds increase significantly. For non-U.S. investors in U.S. funds, expected returns, measured in absolute terms, have weakened significantly. The committed capital is a fixed amount made in a local currency. Depending on how the base commitment is calculated and how long it takes until the committed capital is drawn down, a drift can occur in the amount that will actually be invested or required by the fund. The movement away from your original currency is called commitment drift. There are various ways to prevent or lessen the effects of commitment drift. You can keep the base commitment static by multiplying the local commitment by the exchange rate at the time the investment was made, or the head in the sand approach. You can update the base commitment amount by multiplying the local commitment amount by the prevailing exchange rate at the time the analysis is completed, or you can update the base commitment amount by computing the sum of that of which you have paid in so far in base currency, and then adding the base unfunded commitment amount. This video module is designed to provide a brief overview and description of commitment drift in the private equity industry. Thank you once again for your time and attention, and this is businesstraining.com, where you can earn a master's level qualification to make more money.